Okay guys, I'm about to expose one of the best and most well-kept secrets for growing your channel in the most effective and cost-efficient way as possible. This is going to exponentially grow your subs, views, and get you monetized in record times. This is no joke, and I'm sure not knowing about this is only going to prevent you from making way more money or even just getting to the point of making money in general. And I hope you guys are excited. I'm personally nervous about bringing this out, but as many of you know, I'm not afraid to talk about strategies that no one else is willing to talk about. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so just a disclaimer, I want to mention that this strategy does include spending a little bit of money, but I'm going to show you how to spend a really small amount and have it go a really long way. So on to the juicy part, let me explain how you guys can blow up your channels and gain real views and authentic subs with prices that most of you are not even going to believe. So the strategy is going to be done through Google Ads, but I'm going to show you guys a really sneaky way to get so many more views and subs for literally 3 to 5 times cheaper. And it's going to be completely legal. It's just a little bit of a loophole that I learned and now I'm passing it on to you. So 5-second explanation of Google Ads. These are literally those pesky ads you see on YouTube that interrupt your videos. They pop up all over the sides and are always showing first when you search for a topic. So we're going to get you there, but for a lot cheaper than everyone else is paying. If you were to set up your Google Ads account now and start promoting your channel or videos, you could not physically pay less than 1 cent per action because less than 1 cent doesn't really exist. But what if it did? And I'm here to actually tell you that it does. And instead of paying 1 cent per view, you can literally pay 0.000043 cents for that exact same view. Now that I have your attention, let me explain how. So most of you understand how currency works or how the exchange of currency works. So sometimes when you convert a powerful currency versus a weak one, you can get a lot more for the same amount of money spent. So for example, if we look at USD, which is the American currency, versus CAD, which is Canadian, we can see that $1 US is worth 1.25 Canadian, meaning that if they bought or you bought anything with US currency, it would be 0.25 or 25% cheaper just because the US dollar is currently more powerful. Okay, now with that out of the way, let me show you how we're gonna get your views at the cheapest price possible. So if we take a look at the currency exchange for US versus dong, which is the Vietnamese currency, we can see that one Vietnamese dong is worth 0.000043 US cents. And that is absolutely ridiculous. And that's how we're gonna get our super cheap ads. Okay, now it's about to get super juicy because I'm gonna show you exactly how you can set up this entire thing without having any knowledge or needing any experience with Google Ads and be able to take advantage of this crazy hack that literally nobody knows about. And I ask now, if you didn't know about this and you're excited to try it out, then leave a like and drop a comment. It really helps me out. And more than that, it makes me happy. Okay, now let me just clarify one thing that makes this a little bit difficult to tackle. But again, I'm gonna show you how to do it and get it done. So since we're trying to get these views at such a discounted rate, you may think that we're running ads to Vietnam, but it's actually quite literally the opposite. We're gonna be running ads from Vietnam. So the next step is to book a flight, make a quick trip to Vietnam, and start running some cheap ads. I'm just kidding.
Got it!
What we're actually gonna do is going to hire someone from Vietnam who has experience with Google Ads and is able to run simple YouTube ads to promote your channel and your videos. Okay, so let's talk about how to get this done, and it's really not that hard. Now, many of you already know about Upwork, so what we're gonna do is make a profile, search for somebody who fits exactly what I just mentioned, and I'm gonna leave a screenshot here of the job posting I made when I first tackled this. If you're not sure what to do and write, you're gonna have that here for reference. So once you post it, you're gonna have a lot of people trying to take this on, and you're gonna tell them to simply just run ads from their account with the intent to get views and grow your channel. And if they're actually experienced, they will know how to optimize the videos and send traffic that is genuinely interested in your videos, which actually leaves you with quality and dedicated followers that will continue to watch your videos even after you're done running ads. So I just want to say that I have used this and I have grown channels while spending very comfortable amounts. I've also mentioned this method in my course, and I have had students get monetized in just 1 month simply with this method. Now, before you guys go on and freak out at me and say you can't get monetized with Google Ads, yeah, I know. But these views you're getting from the ads, they're not only one-time views, they turn to subscribers and they turn to viewers who watch other videos and so on. This is how exactly indirectly you're gonna be able to still monetize your channel using Google Ads. Let me show you a previous example that I did and show you the results that I got. So looking here at this campaign, we can see that I spent 519,000 dong, which actually when converted to USD is only about $22.57. Well, this campaign sent me 5,840 views, which ended up trickling down to my other videos and getting me subscribers and overall increasing the appearance of my channel, helping it grow faster. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know much about Google Ads. I'm not an expert of any kind, but that's why we hire people. So that's all you really need to do to take advantage of this untapped strategy to grow your channel in record times. Before I let you guys jump onto this, just a couple quick things to note. If you're not currently monetized, I want you to know it does not matter where your views and watch time is coming from. You can have 100% of the views coming from the US, or you can have 100% of the views coming from India. Watch time is watch time and it'll get you monetized. Now, on the other hand, if you are monetized and you want to do this to make money, make sure that you only play with first and second tier countries. Otherwise, your CPM will be very low and it won't be worth it at all. If you guys want to see the list of countries and what tier they fall into, I will have a link in description. I know a lot of you are also going to ask me if this is legal. Yes, it is. There's nothing against what we're doing. It's just a loophole and we're taking advantage of some of the strengths of different currencies. Now, one thing is that when you hire someone, make sure not to give them too much at once. With the budget, you want to start with around $10, then go up to $20, and then go up from there as you build trust. But keep in mind, you will also need to give them money for the actual service they're providing. So to set up the ads, optimize and manage the campaigns. So make sure you allocate that when you send them the budget. Now, I just want to say, if you're not willing to find someone to do this for you, I do have someone who has worked with me in the past and is working with my students, and I've included their contact information for all my students for free. So if you do want to try this out and you don't want to go through the pain and the risks of doing this on your own, then I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to check out and you can take advantage of it today. But that concludes this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. Don't forget to like and comment your thoughts on this method below. I promise you're not going to hear this anywhere else. You guys are legends and MVPs. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.